Here we're going to find the slope of a line given a graph. And we're going to use the fact that slope is rise over run. That is, how much do you go up and down divided by how much you go left to right. So the first step we're going to use is to pick 2 points. We're looking for 2 points that are on this blue line that are also on the grid lines of our graph paper, like this one right here. Is this another good point? Could that be our second point? No, and the reason is we're going to be measuring distance, and we don't know exactly where this second purple dot is. Is it over a half on my x-axis? I don't know. Is that 0.6? So we need to pick a different second point. Do you see another one we can use? How about right here? So now that we have 2 points, you always want to start with the point on the left. So I'm going to move from my red point to my purple point. First thing I need to do is move up or down. So from my red point, how much do I move up or down to get to my purple point? 2. I'm going to move down 2. So that is the top of my fraction. And then how much do I go left to right? 1. So 2 is my rise, 1 is my run, my denominator. Now let's simplify. 2 divided by 1 is 2. Is that it? Is that my slope? Not done yet. The last question is this slope positive or negative? Is the answer positive 2 or negative 2? Well, you read a line like you read a sentence from left to right. So if I look at this line from left to right, notice that it is going down. If it's going down from left to right, it's negative. So this slope would be negative 2. If it was going up, it would be positive. Let's try another. Again, let's pick 2 points on our grid line. Here's one, and let's do this one way up here. All right, remember, we start with the point on the left. Just like we read a line from left to right, like if we have a sentence we read from left to right, we are going to calculate the slope from left to right. So we're going from our red point to our purple point. So if we're doing that, how much do we go up or down? We're going to go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our rise is 6. And then how much do we go over? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. So it is 6 over 8. That is my slope. Am I done? No. You also need to simplify this fraction. Just like the last one, 2 divided by 1, if we do 6 divided by 8, we're going to get a decimal. But can we simplify this fraction at least? 6 and 8, I can divide both of those by 2, so this is the same as 3/4. All right, last step. Is this positive slope or negative slope? Read it from left to right, and you are going up. So it is positive. So our slope would be 3/4.